so welcome from my channel. Now we are going to explore this toy gun. You right? So guys, here is the purpose of the Glock 18. You right? Is it Glock? Nice. But wait. Like and subscribe and share for my channel from my YouTube channel, okay? So guys, this is first safety. Do not shoot anything like a person like me, right? So don't shoot with me because this bullet, it will go in your body, right? Because that's dangerous. And then don't shoot any kinds of animal like cats and dogs, right? So now remember, don't shoot anything, okay? Now let's explore the gun. Here is my toy gun, and here is the purpose of the toy gun. No bullet is safety, right? It's safety. So I will check the bullets first, okay? Wait first. Hi guys, I'm back now. Here is the purpose of the bullet. Okay? This is the shell or the body. This like a bullet, but this is the rubber bullet. This is so hard, guys. Look, you see? And then this is so soft, right? But don't eat it, okay? Because that's dangerous, okay? Okay. So see, if we put a bullet always here, okay? From the tier, this one, okay? Just put like this, not here, okay? Because that's wrong. Like this, okay? That's wrong. Only like this, okay? Here, and here, put it there. Like that. You see, guys? You see? You want to see? That one. Right? And now, we are exploring now with the gun. Now, this is the Glock 18C. Remember, here is the gun from my toy gun, right? So I put it in my bag because I will not keep it first because from the news they said no pellet guns. So I keep it from my bag. So it's okay. So I can play. So I can play once a day. So here is my toy gun, right? So here is the trigger guard, and then here is the chamber, right? See the chamber? Wait. See the chamber? Guys, see that chamber? That one, guys. Here. That one. Right? Want to see? That one. Okay? So guys, now we are done for exploring with the gun. So only that time because it's evening now, guys. It's evening, so I have to sleep early. Okay? So thanks guys for my channel, and then see you next time. Bye. Bye.